Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about probiotics and whether they are beneficial to us or not. What are probiotics? Probiotics are live microorganisms that are healthy when consumed or applied to the body. They are found in yogurt and other fermented foods, nutritional supplements, and beauty products. Some bacteria help digest food, destroy diseased cells, or produce vitamins. Although people often think of bacteria and other microorganisms as harmful germs, many of them are actually beneficial. Many of the microorganisms in probiotic products are the same or similar to the microorganisms that live naturally in our bodies. What bacteria are in probiotics? Probiotics can contain a variety of microorganisms. The most common are bacteria belonging to the Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium groups. Other bacteria can also be used as probiotics, as well as yeasts such as Saccharomyces boulardii. Different types of probiotics can have different effects. For example, if one type of lactobacillus helps prevent disease, it does not necessarily mean that another type of lactobacillus or some bifidobacterium probiotic will do the same. How might probiotics work? Probiotics can have different effects in the body, and different probiotics can work in different ways. Probiotics can help your body maintain a healthy microbiota or help the body's microbiota return to a healthy state after a disturbance. Produces substances with the desired effect. Influence your body's immune response. What has science shown about the effectiveness of probiotics for health problems? Probiotics have been studied extensively, but there is still much to learn about whether they are beneficial and safe for various health problems. Probiotics have shown promise for several health purposes, including prevention of antibiotic-associated diarrhea, including diarrhea caused by Clostridium difficile, prevention of necrotizing enterocolitis and sepsis in premature infants, treatment of infantile colic, treatment of periodontal disease, and induction or maintenance of remission in ulcerative colitis. However, for the most part, we do not know which probiotics are beneficial and which are not. We also don't know how many probiotics people should take or who is most likely to benefit. Even under the most studied conditions, scientists are still working to find answers to these questions. Clostridium difficile infection. The bacterium Clostridium difficile can infect the large intestine, colon, of patients receiving antibiotics, causing diarrhea that can range from mild to severe. Clostridium difficile infection is difficult to treat and sometimes returns after treatment. It is more common in people who take antibiotics for a long time and in the elderly, and can spread in hospitals and nursing homes. Clostridium difficile infection affects about 500,000 people a year in the United States and causes about 15,000 deaths. A 2017 analysis of 31 studies found moderate certainty that probiotics can reduce the risk of Clostridium difficile diarrhea in adults and children receiving antibiotics. The analysis also concluded that the use of probiotics with antibiotics appears to be safe, except in patients who are very weak or have a poorly functioning immune system. Diarrhea caused by cancer treatment. Diarrhea is a common side effect of cancer chemotherapy or radiation therapy. It has been suggested that probiotics may help prevent or treat this type of diarrhea. Upper respiratory tract infections. Probiotics have been tested for upper respiratory tract infections, a group that includes flu, otitis media, sinus infections, and various sore throats. A 2015 review of 12 studies with a total of 3,720 participants found that people taking probiotics may have fewer and shorter upper respiratory tract infections. Acne. Research has identified mechanisms by which probiotics, either orally or topically applied to the skin, might influence acne. Can probiotics be harmful? Potential adverse effects of probiotics include infections, production of harmful substances by probiotic microorganisms, and transfer of antibiotic resistance genes from probiotic microorganisms to other microorganisms in the gastrointestinal tract. Conclusion. Despite of the common thought that microorganisms are scary and dangerous, probiotics are potent agents that contribute to the nutritional, physiological, and digestive functions of the host. Probiotics improve and maintain the balance of beneficial intestinal microflora in the gut of animals and humans. Thanks for watching.